Do your garden borders still feel patchy no matter how much you plant? The secret to a lush, full look isn't adding more plants, it's choosing perennials that spread beautifully and fill space naturally. Today, we're looking at fast-spreading border plants that turn empty beds into soft, layered gardens faster than you'd expect. First on the list is Alchemilla mollis, often called lady's mantle, a soft, textured perennial known for its scalloped green leaves and airy sprays of chartreuse flowers. Its rounded foliage forms a gentle, flowing mass that instantly softens the look of a garden border. Even before blooming, the plant creates a lush, natural presence that makes empty spaces feel intentionally planted. What makes lady's mantle a great, fast-spreading choice is its ability to widen into generous clumps that gradually knit together across the soil surface. It thrives in sun to partial shade and requires very little maintenance once established, often self-seeding lightly to create a fuller effect over time. Instead of looking aggressive, its spread feels relaxed and organic, helping a border evolve into a cohesive green layer. In the landscape, Alchemilla works beautifully along the front or middle of cottage-style borders where texture matters just as much as color. Pair it with upright perennials like Penstemon or Catmint to balance softness with structure, creating a lush, layered look that feels effortless and timeless. Next is Campanula carpatica, a compact bellflower that forms neat, spreading mounds covered in delicate blue or violet blooms. Its low-growing habit allows it to fill gaps quickly while maintaining a neat, cushion-like shape. When in bloom, it creates a gentle wash of color that brings life to the front edge of a garden border. As a fast-spreading perennial, this Campanula expands outward through steady clump growth, gradually covering exposed soil without becoming invasive. It thrives in sunny spots with well-drained soil and continues to look fresh long after the first wave of flowers fades. Because of its manageable size, it's an easy way to build fullness near pathways or edging areas. In the landscape, use Carpathian Bellflower along border edges or between stepping stones where its soft, mounding form can shine. Pair it with creeping Phlox or Candytuft to create layers of low-growing color that help the garden feel lush from ground level upward. Third on the list is Nepeta cat's pajamas, a compact catmint variety that delivers waves of lavender blue blooms on a neatly spreading mound. Its silvery green foliage creates a cool-toned base that instantly adds movement and softness to a sunny border. Even a small planting quickly turns into a flowing ribbon of color that feels relaxed and full. What makes this Nepeta a standout fast spreader is its ability to widen into dense, low-maintenance clumps that naturally weave between neighboring plants. In full sun, it grows outward just as much as upward, covering gaps while staying tidy and manageable. A quick trim after blooming encourages fresh growth, helping the plant maintain a lush appearance throughout the season. In the landscape, Nepeta cat's Pajamas works beautifully in the front to middle layer of a border, especially alongside Penstemon or Alchemilla. Its airy habit softens stronger shapes and ties different planting layers together, creating that effortless cottage-style fullness the theme is all about. Next is Penstemon apple blossom, a graceful perennial with soft blush pink tubular flowers that rise above slender green stems. Its airy shape brings a light, romantic feel to the garden, while clusters of blooms create gentle vertical accents that help the border look fuller without feeling crowded. The soft pastel tones blend beautifully with cottage-style plantings. As a fast-spreading choice, Penstemon expands through multiple stems emerging from the base, gradually forming wider clumps each season. In full sun and well-drained soil, it establishes quickly and requires minimal care, making it a reliable filler that adds both height and movement. Instead of dominating the space, it weaves naturally between neighboring plants, helping the border feel cohesive. In the landscape, use Penstemon apple blossom toward the middle of the border to bridge low spreaders like Campanula with softer fillers such as lady's mantle. Its upright form creates rhythm and structure, adding depth while maintaining that lush, layered look. Moving into lower layers, Iberis sempervirens, commonly known as Candytuft, is a compact evergreen perennial that spreads into a dense mound of glossy green foliage. In spring, it becomes covered in crisp white blooms, creating a clean, bright edge that instantly refreshes the border. Even outside its flowering period, the foliage helps maintain a full, finished appearance. Candytuft spreads gently over time, forming tight clusters that naturally cover gaps near the ground. Because it stays low and tidy, it's ideal for creating fullness without overwhelming neighboring plants. With minimal pruning and plenty of sun, it builds a reliable base layer that supports the overall lush effect. In the landscape, use Candytuft along pathways, rock edges, or the front of mixed borders where its spreading habit can soften hard lines. Paired with Iberis or creeping Phlox, it helps create that seamless carpet of early season greenery that makes a border look rich and established. Next on the list is Persicaria affinis Darjeeling Red, a ground-hugging perennial known for its dense foliage and soft spikes of pink to rose flowers. Its low, spreading habit creates a natural tapestry across the soil surface, instantly filling empty patches with texture and subtle color. The plant's relaxed, informal look fits perfectly into lush, cottage-style borders. As a fast spreader, this Persicaria forms a mat of foliage that gradually widens without becoming aggressive. It adapts well to sunny locations and tolerates varying soil conditions, making it a low-maintenance choice for gardeners who want reliable coverage. Over time, the plant knits together planting areas, creating a unified base that enhances the sense of fullness. In the landscape, use Darjeeling Red at the front of the border or along slopes where you want gentle ground coverage. Pair it with upright perennials like Penstemon or Nepeta to contrast its low profile with airy vertical movement, building layers that feel lush from every angle. Last on the list is Phlox subulata, often called creeping phlox, a classic spreading perennial that transforms garden edges into vibrant carpets of color. Its needle-like foliage forms a dense mat, and in spring it erupts into a blanket of pink, purple, or white blooms that instantly make the border look full and alive. Few plants create such a dramatic early season effect so quickly. Creeping phlox spreads outward steadily, filling gaps between stones, edging, or front border spaces with very little effort. It thrives in sunny, well-drained areas and maintains a compact, tidy shape even as it expands. Because of its reliable growth habit, it's one of the easiest ways to achieve a lush look near ground level. In the landscape, use creeping phlox along the front edge of borders or cascading over retaining walls, where its spreading habit can shine. Combined with Candytuft or Persicaria, it creates a layered foundation that makes the entire garden bed feel rich, soft, and beautifully connected. Fast-spreading perennials are one of the easiest ways to build a garden that feels rich, connected, and effortlessly full. By mixing low spreaders, airy fillers, and soft textures, your border can look lush without constant work. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which spreader you'd plant first.